Let me tell you about Halloween. Here are 3 ideas for a homeschool connection, starting with Pictello. The Pictello app from Assistiveware is a quick and easy way to make stories with your students. Make sure your family takes some pictures of their Halloween adventures, sends them to you, and then you can put together a fun story with pictures or video. Let's take a look.
My Halloween. Can you guess what I was? Mummy. I saw lots of pumpkins. I got Play-Doh. Trick or treat.
Do you have a step-by-step? If so, consider sending it home. The parents, or better yet, a sibling or a friend, can record what happened on Halloween. When your student brings it back to school, they'll hit the button, and every time they do, a new message will play. Light tech is always an option, right? You can print pictures from home. You can print out vocabulary symbols from symbol sticks or board maker, whatever you have available. Or you can use the student's AAC device to talk about the pictures and tell a fun story. Don't forget that you may need access to some fringe vocabulary to talk about the specific spooky things they saw on Halloween night.